So like, yeah. TJ, thanks for sneezing.
No problem.
Anyways, like, okay, there we go. My head's not on fire.
Oh,
What the
I'm
fuck?
on fire!
Okay, there we go. It's not on fire
You're
now.
on fire!
Are you
That
kidding
roof,
me?
that roof, that roof is on
So,
fire. Keep going and
anyways,
let it burn, burn, fucking burn.
shut up,
Oh, sorry,
TJ.
my head, my head is on fire. I don't know what y'all gonna do because my head's on fire.
My head's on fire.
What's the question? Little dot.
Yeah, what do I do about it? Anyways, like my head's on fire,
What's the beer one?
apparently. And yeah, um, yeah, okay, it's gone away. So that's good. Anyways, my head was like on fire. So like, okay, now it's raining above me. Like, so now apparently, like, there we go. A little black cloud went out. Oh, it's not coming back this time.
What's that one for? I want to beer bottle one.
It was all like, okay. So I was on fire, and then I had little rain clouds, and it was all like, why the hell do I have fire on top of my head?
I'm gonna double click it.
And then I was like, so anyways, I'm not on fire no more, and it's not raining no more. So yeah, I can go. And TJ can shut his mouth. Peace.